how to download Dropbox. So basically, if you want to download Dropbox, it is very simple to do so. Now if you're using iPhone or Android, the process differs than that. So here you have your Play Store right here. So for Android, you want to open up your Play Store, search for Dropbox right there. You'll find Dropbox Cloud Storage Drive right here. Now basically, if you also want to go ahead and basically use an iPhone, you'll have your iPhone's App Store where you'll be able to find Dropbox, and you'll be able to install the application. For Android, you just want to press the blue install button right here. Make sure you have got enough storage, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi or the internet connection, and once done, you'll be able to see that we have got Dropbox Cloud Storage right over here. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically download Dropbox. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.